Uju, sorry for the terrible quality with the light. I didn't realize that for it to see me, it kind of makes the calendar less visible. So since the is on the calendar, just try to ignore the weird lighting. I'm sorry. So first I'm going to go over some language for using a pouch calendar in the classroom and some tips and tricks, and then there'll be a follow-up video where there's no English, and I'm just going to go through the routine as if I'm asking students in the classroom. So this, I ordered a classroom calendar like this, and then I just flipped cards over and wrote the Ojibwe names for the days of the week and the months on the back. Some of them had things on the back, so I just took cardboard, taped it on there, and then in nice handwriting or printouts and glued on the words for like today, yesterday, tomorrow, month, year, days of the week, title up here. Whichever calendar you have, you can make it your own. Um, so this one is for November. By November, your students will recognize the questions that you're asking them. They'll recognize cue words, days of the week. They should be able to sing along with the songs with you. They should be able to count along with you, most likely. Um, However, to get them used to this, in the following video, where it's all Ojibwe without any English, calendars are they're kind of in between that abstract and concrete. There's some concepts here that are hard for little ones. I'm sure you know. So it'll be great having your assistant in class where you can run through the questions like I do in the next video. And they will pretend to be a student and model answering the questions. And then you just have the students repeat those answers after the assistant. If you have to sandwich and use English in a sandwiching way to get across the concept that they're just not grasping, that's fine. But always trying to use Ojibwe um, as much as possible, shooting for the majority of spoken language to be in Ojibwe. Um, so anyway, again, calendar, Gizasu Masnayagan is a calendar. So the first thing I would do to let them know that we're going to have circle time and talk about calendar is use one of our canned phrases that indicates that we are transitioning routine. And those phrases start with mi, shigwa, je, which roughly translates to it is now time to. So mi, shigwa, je, zajindamang, gizasu masanayigan. It is now time to talk about the calendar. Owegonen, owe. Owegonen, owe. Gizasu owe. Oh, giget. So what is it? Owegonen owe. Gizasu owe. This is a calendar. Oh, sorry, I said owegonen owe. That's what is this? Um, and then I might ask, Anin Asian kazod wa au gizis. And it helps you put a picture of a moon up here because the months in Ojibwe Gizis translate to moon. So what's the name of this moon? Gashkadino Gizis Asianakazo. Her name is November. Her name is Gashkadino Gizis, or snow crust moon. Gashkadino Gizis, yeah. And then Nagamoda in Eiji Gijikakin. Nokomodane Shigi Shigakin. Let's sing the Days of the Week song. Anwe Bigi Jigat, Mananoki Gijigat, Nishogi Jigat, Abituse, Niogi Jigat, Nanogi Jigat, Isibiki Siganagegi Jigat. You're gonna all sing it with you. And then you'd ask, Anin ejigijigak, anin ejigijigak, nongum. What is the day today? Um, Anwebi gijigatena nongum? Is it Sunday today? Gawin. Um, and then, if they're all wanting to answer, they're trying to shout out, say, Beka, Beka, kita omminikanim. Wait, wait, you should raise your hand and call on someone. So, Nijogi jigat nongam. Nijogi jigat nongam. Today is Tuesday. Nijogi jigat. Good. And then anin ga ishigi shigak bijinago. Anin ga ishigi shigak bijinago. What was yesterday? Gi madanoki yishigak. Sorry, gi madanoki gishigat bijinago. Nijishin. Anin wa ishigi shigak wabam. Anin wa ishigi shigak wabam. What is tomorrow? We abatuse wabam. It will be Wednesday tomorrow. We abatuse wabam. From there, I might ask, anin endaso gona gizit. What gizis? What is the day of the month? Well, again then first a kawe again done da giji gadun. Let's count all of the days. Bejik nish niswe ni winanin. Ingodwaswe nishwaswe ishwaswe. Jangiswe medaswe. Ashi bejik, ashi nish, ashi niswe, ashi niwin, ashi nanin, ashi ingodwaswe, ashi nishwaswe, ashi ishwaswe, ashi jangiswe, nishtana. Nishtana shi bejik, nishtana shi nish, nishtana shi niswe, nishtana shi niwin, nishtana shi nanin, nishtana shi ingodwaswe, nishtana shi nishwaswe, nishtana shi ishwaswe, nishtana shi jangiswe, Nisimidana. And then Anin and Dasso Anin and Dasso Gonigizit Wa'algizis Nungum Beijig in the Beijig in the Gonigize Wa'al Lashkatinogizis Gawin again Ida agindasumin binish nongum. Let's count until today. Bejik, Nij, Niswe, Niwin, Nanin, Ingodwaswe, Nijwaswe, Ishwaswe. And you may have this card flipped backwards and then have a child come up and turn it around. Anin and Daso Gonagizit. Wa'algizis Nongum Ishwaswe Gonagize Wa'al Gachkatanogizis Nongum. It is the 8th day of November today. And so that's about a basic calendar circle time for helping them understand the concept of these, and then Bijinago for yesterday, Nongum for today. I would switch these. I'd have yesterday, today, tomorrow, and then Wabum. And season, Dagwagan, it's fall. You could do weather, Anin, Ejuweba, Kagwajing, Nongum. What's it doing outside today? Zogapon Nongum, it's snowing today. And then you can go into the weather, and so on and so forth. There's always songs to sing. So anyway, miigwech bizendoye, thank you for listening to me. And the next video will be up following this. It should be pretty close. I just explained the words and language I'm using. Next video, I'm just going to run through the questions. So, miigwech.